Injective is a Layer 1 blockchain that is custom-built to support interoperable DeFi applications. It aims to create a truly free and decentralized financial network for everyone, where anyone can access, create, and trade unlimited markets with zero gas fees. Injective is relevant and important in the current crypto landscape because it solves some of the major pain points of existing DeFi platforms, such as high fees, low scalability, limited functionality, and lack of interoperability. In today's video, we're going to cover everything you need to know about Injective, its origin and background, its core features, the INJ token, and other important information. We'll also be talking about an interesting attribute of Injective that is not found anywhere else in the crypto space, so be sure to stay tuned till the end to get all the scoop. Let's get started. Injective is a project that was born out of frustration with the limitations and inefficiencies of existing decentralized exchanges, or DEXs. DEXs offer many benefits, such as censorship resistance, transparency, security, and lower fees. However, they also have some drawbacks, such as low liquidity, high latency, limited market diversity, and susceptibility to front-running attacks. For those who didn't know, front-running is a form of market manipulation where someone exploits the delay between when a transaction is broadcast and when it is confirmed on the blockchain. For example, let's say user A wants to buy 100 INJ tokens at $10 each on a DEX and sends a transaction with a certain gas fee to the network. However, before their transaction is confirmed, user B sees this transaction in the mempool and decides to buy 100 INJ tokens at $10.01 each with a higher gas fee. Naturally, user B's transaction gets confirmed before user A's, and user B pushes up the price of INJ. Then, user B sells their 100 INJ tokens at $10.50 each to user A, making a profit of $49 at their expense. This is a very simplified example, but it illustrates how front-running can harm honest traders and distort market prices. Front-running is especially prevalent in decentralized derivatives markets, where traders can speculate on the future price movements of various assets, such as stocks, commodities, currencies, or even crypto tokens. This is where Injective comes in. Injective is a Layer 1 blockchain that is designed specifically for decentralized derivatives trading. It leverages cutting-edge technologies and novel solutions to overcome the limitations of existing DEXs and provides users with fast, secure, interoperable, and fully decentralized trading experience. Injective was founded in 2018 by Eric Chen, a former hedge funder, and Albert Chan, a one-time Amazon software engineer. Their aim was to overcome the limitations and inefficiencies of the existing centralized and decentralized exchanges and create a platform that would allow anyone to trade any financial market across any chain with zero fees, full decentralization, and unlimited liquidity. They also wanted to allow users to create their own custom markets, such as synthetic assets, prediction markets, or exotic options, without any restrictions or intermediaries. To achieve this vision, they decided to build Injective using the Cosmos SDK and a Tendermint-based proof-of-stake consensus mechanism. This way, they could provide instant transaction finality for users and the ability to facilitate over 10,000 transactions per second. The creators of Injective also integrated Cosmwasm as their smart contract engine, which allows developers to write smart contracts in any programming language and deploy them across multiple chains. Injective was one of the first projects to launch on Binance Launchpad in 2020, where it raised $3.6 million in a public sale of its native token, INJ. Since then, Injective has been developing its protocol and ecosystem, launching its testnet in 2020 and its mainnet in 2021. Injective is also partnered with various projects and platforms in the crypto space, such as Chainlink, Uniswap, Polygon, Solana, Avalanche, Ocean Protocol, Band Protocol, Kava, Terra, Harmony, Phantom, Elrond, and many more. Injective has also attracted a large and active community of over 150,000 members globally who are participating in its governance, staking, trading, and development. Now, Injective has several core features that make it stand out from other DeFi platforms. They include a fully decentralized on-chain order book and matching engine. Injective uses a novel design that combines frequent batch auctions with an on-chain order book to ensure fair and transparent execution of trades. This also prevents front-running or minor extractable value, or MEV, which is a common problem on other platforms, where miners or arbitrageurs can manipulate the order of transactions to gain an advantage over other traders. A universal protocol for cross-chain derivatives trading. Injective supports trading in any financial market across any chain. This means that users can trade spot markets such as cryptocurrencies or tokens from Ethereum or other chains. Perpetual markets such as leverage contracts that track the price of an underlying asset. Futures markets such as contracts that expire at a specific date. And option markets such as contracts that give the buyer the right, but not the obligation to buy or sell an asset at a predetermined price. Users can also create their own custom markets with any parameters or specifications they want. A decentralized cross-chain bridging infrastructure. Injective uses its own ERC20 token bridge to enable interoperability with Ethereum assets. It also uses the Inter-Blockchain Communication, or IBC protocol, to enable interoperability with other IBC-enabled blockchains, such as Cosmos. Additionally, it plans to integrate Wormhole Bridge to enable interoperability with non-EVM chains such as Solana, a next-generation smart contract platform based on CosmWasm. Injective provides a powerful and flexible smart contract platform that allows developers to write smart contracts in any programming language they prefer and deploy them across multiple chains. Injective also enables automatic smart contract execution, which is a unique feature that allows for novel use cases that are not possible on other platforms. A community-driven governance model. Injective is governed by INJ holders who can propose and vote on various aspects of the protocol, such as upgrades, parameters, fees, and rewards. Injective also has a decentralized autonomous organization that manages its treasury and funds various initiatives, such as grants, bounty programs, and hackathons. Speaking of, INJ is the native utility token that powers Injective and its rapidly growing ecosystem. The INJ token is used across a diverse range of functions, such as protocol governance. INJ holders can propose and vote on various proposals that affect the protocol and its ecosystem. DApp value capture. INJ holders can benefit from the value generated by the DApps built on Injective, such as fees, burns, dividends, and others. Proof of stake security. INJ holders can stake their tokens to secure the network and earn rewards for validating transactions and blocks. Developer incentives. INJ holders can fund and support the development of new features and applications on Injective through grants, bounty programs, and hackathons. Staking. INJ holders can stake their tokens to participate in various activities on Injective, such as trading, creating markets, providing liquidity, and so much more. Now, one thing we really find interesting about Injective is that it offers various incentive mechanisms for developers and hosts of relay nodes and UIs to earn up to 40% of all trading fees. This incentive mechanism is very impressive and is unheard of pretty much anywhere else in the crypto market. So, if you're a developer or you're interested in hosting relay nodes, you could be handsomely rewarded if you can find your way to Injective. Apart from that, 60% of all protocol fees go through a buyback and burn auction, which is also the largest buyback and burn program in the entire crypto industry. As you can see, Injective is a very interesting and versatile platform to use for your blockchain and development needs. However, like any other project in the crypto space, Injective also has some pros and cons that you should be aware of before considering investing in it. Let's start with the pros. Injective offers a fast, scalable, and secure platform for trading any financial market across any chain with zero fees and full decentralization. Injective has a solid backing from some of the most reputable and influential investors and partners in the crypto space, such as Binance, Pantera Capital, Hash, and CMS Holdings. Injective also has a vibrant and glowing community of supporters and users who are actively engaged in its development, governance, and promotion. Finally, Injective has a unique and competitive edge over other DEXs in terms of performance, security, interoperability, and market diversity. Now, let's look at the cons. Injective relies on several technologies and platforms that may pose some risks and challenges for its functionality and security. For example, it depends on Cosmos SDK for its interoperability, Ethermint for its Ethereum compatibility, CosmWasm for its smart contract execution, Chainlink for its Oracle service, and so on. Any issues or vulnerabilities in these technologies or platforms may also affect Injective's performance or security. Injective is also subject to the usual risks and uncertainties that affect any crypto project, such as regulatory uncertainty, market volatility, hacking attacks, and user errors. It will have to overcome these challenges and ensure its compliance, stability, and safety. Injective is a very promising and exciting project that aims to create a fully decentralized derivatives trading platform that can support any type of market with high speed, low cost, and full security. As always, we'll stay on track with the happenings on Injective and keep you updated with newsworthy events. That's all for today's video. If you found our video informative, then please like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon to get updates on all our future videos.